Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the kitchenware scene. The best Caserox Parrilla, also known as the Jassceram 9x13 large porcelain casserole dish. If you're hunting for a stylish yet functional baking dish for everything from lasagna to roasted veggies, stick around. This one's worth your time. First off, let's talk size. This Jassceram Casserole dish measures a generous 13 by 9 inches, with an extra deep 3-inch height. That adds up to about 4.5 quarts of capacity, which is perfect for hosting family gatherings, dinner parties, or meal prepping a week's worth of baked goodness. The deeper sides help reduce spills in the oven, a huge plus for bubbly cheese-topped lasagnas or saucy roasts. Now what really sets this dish apart is its material. It's made of premium, lead-free ceramic with a smooth, durable glazed finish. That glaze does more than make it pretty. It enhances the longevity of the dish and gives it a naturally non-stick surface. You'll notice that cleanup is practically effortless. No more soaking or scrubbing off crusty leftovers. It's dishwasher safe, but honestly, even a quick rinse usually does the trick. One standout feature here is its versatility. You can take this casserole dish straight from the freezer to the oven without worrying about thermal shock. It's built to handle extreme temperatures, anywhere from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can prep ahead of time, freeze your dish, and bake it whenever you're ready, all in the same container. No transferring, no mess. Moving on to design, the Jassceram Casserole dish isn't just built for performance. It looks stunning too. The crisp white finish with subtle ribbed texture gives it a clean, elegant look that makes it perfect for serving right at the table. The reinforced handles are sturdy and easy to grip, even with bulky oven mitts on. So you're not only getting a practical baking pan, but one that elevates your presentation as well. Let's not forget how this dish simplifies your kitchen life. Whether you're whipping up a weeknight baked pasta or preparing a special holiday roast, this dish adapts to your needs. It's an all-in-one solution that goes from oven to table to dishwasher, effortlessly. And because it's ceramic, it doesn't retain odors or stains like metal or plastic alternatives. To wrap it up, the Jassceram Casserole dish delivers where it matters: generous size, durable construction, elegant design, and top-tier convenience. If you're looking to upgrade your bakeware or need a gift for the home chef in your life, this one should absolutely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product insights. And let us know in the comments what kitchen gear you'd like us to feature next. See you in the next video.